Okay, so what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do something very simple and super delicious. It's a smash burger. You know what that is? Smash a burger. No, we're gonna actually do this in the REC TEC. So here I have, it's really important to get an 80-20 mix, so lean and fat, because you need a little fat on this. So we roll it into a nice little ball, not too dense. We want air pockets in there because at the end of the day, that's what will brown and kind of steam from the inside because it's gonna cook very quickly. So just make it, we'll take it, smash it. We got some brioche buns that we'll toast real quick. We have some cheese, onion, and tomatoes. Got some spices. Now you notice that I did not season the burger. I'll season that once I smash it. I don't want to do it too early. And I got a special sauce here, which is a mixture of ketchup, a mixture of mayo, a mixture of mustard. Mix it up with little spices in there so that'll taste really good. And the key with this too is that you need something like this, not your typical spatula. Spatulas won't work, actually will break it apart. This is good for smashing because we'll put it on the griddle or grill, we'll smash it down. So we'll take that to the grill right now and take a look. So what do we got here? We got the REC TEC. This is the bull, the RT700. Love this thing. Great to smoke meats, cook briskets and ribs, and we've done steaks and reverse here. But you typically cook slow. What I love about this one is you can crank up the heat, and with the grill grades you can get it real hot, 500-600 degrees, real easy. And so that's how we want to cook this. A lot of people make mistakes when they cook burgers. They cook it on an open flame. It's good, it causes flares though, and it's a pain, and it actually dries it out really bad. So we're gonna do it this style. So as you can see, it's real hot. I have the grates on this side away from the thermometer because because these things get real hot. So easy. We'll take the burger, we'll put it on. You can hear that sizzle. We'll put it right there, give it some room, and you can hear that sizzle, right? So this is really hot, it's almost like a griddle. And what I like to do is then take this, you're gonna pick the paper, and then smash it down. Really smash it down. A little parchment paper, and look at that. The same thing on this, right? Really smash it down. You can really put some weight on it if you wanted to. Now this thing is really hot, so you gotta be obviously really careful. So we'll put this on this one. Again, smash it down. And it really cooks like for a few seconds or a couple minutes, unlike a burger where you're really cooking it for a long time. So just smash it down real flat. And then the last one, smash it down real flat. And that's it. So there it is. I'm gonna smash it. Now we're gonna add some spices. It's really hot. You can taste, you can actually feel that heat, but it's really cooking nicely. And you can see how it's like actually steaming it. I don't know if it's cooking, you can see that? And it's almost done, that's how quick it is on the one side. So we'll put some spices. See that? Look at that, it's beautiful. And then, again, make sure. And that's what is nice about this, really great in there, where sometimes you can't do that with, your typical spatulas. And it's cooking, so you can see that it's browning, it's steaming from the inside without it, like you don't want it to boil, you want it to really get caramelized, and that's it. So we'll do this for about another 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and we'll flip it, and then we'll add the bread, the mayo, the onions if you want that, and you're good to go. Look at this. Let's take a look. Look at this, and that's the nice thing is you can really get in there, that's why these tools really help. Look at how beautiful that is. It's really smoky, so which just adds that flavor, that you don't get sometimes on a grill or a griddle. Again, smash it down, get it real close. This is really good. It looks real good. And obviously, you want to season this side too. You can, but it's not. It's not going to take that long to cook. Oh, it smells good, right, babe?
Oh, it smells good.
You're gonna taste this today and You're gonna break your tire one more time. Sorry, why is there water? This is good. You can see, there it is. So these are cooking real nice. You can see that. You can how juicy they are. I'm gonna smash it one more time. Look at that. Look at that. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna quickly get these brioche buns, throw them on here, get them a little crispy and smoky as well. These are almost done. Look at this, real nice. And if you want, you can obviously close it. But the nice thing is, again, they're so thin that they, sear real well. They're almost done. Maybe another 10 seconds or 15 seconds and they're good to go. Okay, so we put our special sauce, which is that ketchup, mayo, and mustard mix. We put on 2 because our son doesn't, he likes it plain. So next what we do is we take the cheese. Look at these burgers, don't they look good? And we throw that on top and let that cook for another few seconds. You can take cheap cheese if you want. I like Munster cheese, but I know a lot of people do like, they use like American cheese, but that can be done too. So throw that on top, and then you can see it's melting. It won't take that long at all. And it's beautiful. I can smell it, like it's how good it smells. So we got that on. You can see by the time you finish it on that side, this side's almost done, So what we do is, Mia likes onions, so we're gonna put onions. We're gonna put onions on this. We're gonna put a nice tomato. We're gonna put a nice tomato. And that's it. And now, we just slather this on. So we get this. That's one. Look at that cheese melting. Let's make it double. That's another one right there.
Mine is single.
Yours is a single?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. Don't.
You got it. And then, who wants it? Come on, do a double.
Okay.
It's small. They're small. Not that big.
Come on, do a
There we
double.
go.
Okay.
And look at that. That's all there is to it.